Okay, guys, today is April 1st. So they're telling me that someone came to inspect to the footing for the kind of deck and stairway, and he didn't pass it because of the rain. You know, the rain yesterday filled the ground, so that's why he didn't pass it, because the ground had to be free of all the water. So that's what he's doing. That's the foundation for the deck of the staircase. Yeah, I see what you're talking about. So there's so much attention to detail. So even the wooden staircase, they have to inspect the foundation. That's very interesting. So the fact that it's not part of the main house doesn't mean that there's not an inspector that checks it out. So the inspector is coming back at 3 p.m. to make sure that they got their foundation for the staircase right. And after they do that, the inspector has to put a sticker to approve the kind of foundation for the staircase. That's so interesting. I didn't know that you had to get an approval for that. That's it. Construction is so interesting. Very, very different details. So those are the things that they are going to use for the staircase. Hopefully they'll do that tomorrow. So he had done all this yesterday. But because of the rain, everything filled up again. So that's why they didn't pass inspection. That's my beautiful flower. So he tells me everything inside has been done. I don't want to work on this muddy floor. So hopefully by tomorrow I'll drive up. Yeah, very muddy today. I think we'll probably do the same thing for the dog here and the dog at the side. So we'll be back to see how things are going. So tomorrow we plan to do a lot of different things. We want to go and look at a particular city, township here in Pennsylvania. I want to see if we can do tiny home communities there. So we want to ask if it's okay to write a proposal for that community to make tiny homes and also affordable tiny homes. So that's just an idea that occurred to me because that place has a lot of land and it's like a low income city, but if we can build affordable tiny homes, it can change the whole outlook of that city and it might become a very beautiful place to live. So that's just an idea I have for them. So I'll go to their township office tomorrow and see if I can talk to someone. Okay, so that's all for today. And hopefully everything will get approved this evening. We'll be able to put the foundation for the staircase tomorrow. They also, I spoke with the project manager. He's going to give the township their check so that they can start working on the sewer, whatever approval is needed. And then Aqua, I still haven't heard from Aqua because he's going to ask them about Aqua too. So that's it for now, and we'll see how it goes. put a padlock on the shed, but the whole place is muddy and slippery. I don't want to. I hope tomorrow, since there's no rain tonight, hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to walk on it. And I'll come here with the tent. So that's it. They're also going to correct what the other crew did on the top, all those sidings. They're going to repair it and wipe it down. So that's it. Okay. What else did I want to say? Okay, that's it for today. I'll make more videos tomorrow. God bless. Yeah, this is the joy of real estate investing. You see a jungle turn into a house. That's good. Okay, bye.